Yo, what's up, guys? Me, Jacob. I'm going to teach you how to make a really loud noise, and you will get in trouble. You can actually get in trouble with this noise if you don't do it. Don't do it in front of people's ears, because if you do it, the ear might get hurt or something. Yeah, and don't do it to your parents because they might get mad. And I'll teach you how to make this noise. I just got in trouble for that. Okay, guys. My parents are calling me because... Okay, I'm coming. Okay, my parents got mad at me because I made that noise. They're downstairs. They can hear this noise. Yeah, this is my brother. That's why don't do it too loud. So you need to do is like put your tongue up here, over here. So you're gonna have to start doing this. You have to make that noise, but you don't want to do this. Don't do that yet. Do this. Make that noise. And keep doing that for like, I guess like 2 days. Do that for 2 days. Like, don't do it do it like on 2 days. On 2 days, and so if you're done, you just keep do this. Then after 2 days, after 2 days, you're gonna have to do this. And after that, as hard as you can, try to do this. Do it really hard with your tongue. Almost got in trouble. So do it really hard as you can, but keep practicing every day or every single time. And if you did it, please you did it. Good job. And if you like this video, please comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys.